Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This baby right here is Canon Pixma TS8352a. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's very compact, multi-task, triple-in-one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you step by step how to install the ink cartridges. From the back here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. Okay, just above the power cable we have the USB cable spot. This is what the USB cable looks like. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK, and it goes in here. Okay, this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Once you stick it to your PC, then download the software to connect this printer. Okay, at the back here is the rear paper tray. This printer got two paper trays, the rear paper tray and the bottom casket. So this is the rear paper tray. Before that, if you have any paper jam, open up this section, check for any paper jam and debris right here as well. Okay, gently close it. Going to turn this printer around. This sticker here, this spot here is for you to stick your HDMI card for your photo. Stick the HDMI card for the photo and print out your stunning photo. Okay, this is the scanner, flat-bed scanner for this printer. Stick your document, ID card, passport, driving license, any document you want to copy or scan on top of the ID, on top of the scanner, and select the function from here and it will do the job. Just to open this printer by the side, open it up this side, and the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. I just want to mention this printer, right? If you want to close it, you need to find the pattern. Go backwards and front for you to close it. So backwards and front movement. Okay, if you open this printer up and want to go front straight away, then you're going to break it with force. But you need to make sure you find the pattern backwards and front to close it. Okay, now this is the LCD screen, and you turn this printer on and off from right here. This is the bottom casket. This is the bottom casket. You extend this or adjust this to a particular paper. I do get questions, people asking me how to show them how to load paper, photo paper. For instance, if you want to load photo paper, you need to adjust the paper tray to the particular paper you are using. Okay, so it's not only you can load A5 paper, A4 paper, various sizes of paper. What you gotta do is just adjust it. For instance, this printer, we have photo paper right here that came with this printer. Just looking for getting the photo paper. And if you want to load the photo paper, this is the photo paper. What you need to do is stick the photo paper and adjust it. Okay, and it will recognize, so you can load various sizes of paper right here. Only what you need to do is just adjust it, the holder. Okay, and you load the paper, then stick it inside. So this is how to load the particular paper you want. Okay, now I'm going to put this back inside. So you can see the photo paper right now is completely inside. Okay, if you load A4 paper, then you extend it. Press this, okay, to extend it to a particular paper you want. Okay, now see, now use the cover to cover it up. Okay, now what I want us to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 581. 581 ink cartridges is what it's using. Okay, now I also want to say that you can print up to 15 prints per minute for black and 10 prints for a minute for color. You can do double-sided printing with this gear. This printer is compatible with Apple, Windows, iOS, Android. Okay, so right now what I want us to do is basically show you how to load the ink is what we're going to do. Okay, so right now for us to load the ink cartridges, we need to open up the printer. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, and the ink cartridges holder is right here in the middle. Now the next thing we need to do is, okay, so also follow the pattern here. Now first of all, we have the C is for blue, BK is black, PB is purple, and Y is for yellow. Likewise, PG, BK is black, and M is for red. Okay, so right now what we need to do is we go with blue color. So go with blue color first. Okay, just open. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to go in to inside for the blue. You hear a click sound, okay, and once you've done that, you can see blue is highlighting. It will show you full blue is showing. The next we need to do is black. Okay, BK is black. Okay, go in. Here we go. Once you're done, it will show you, you will hear the noise to show you that black is loaded. The next thing we need to do is PB is the next on the list. Okay, just go in. You hear a click sound and it's showing us PB is ready. The next is Y is for yellow. Yellow is the next. Go in. You hear a click sound. The next is PG BK is black. Okay, go in. Okay, it's showing. The last but not the least is red. Okay, go in. Okay, so right now you can see all the ink is installed. I'm going to bring the camera close for you to see. You can see all the ink is showing. You can see so make sure you check and everything is showing. It's also, it will show you that is all the ink is showing here. Okay, so this is how to install the ink cartridges. Now the next thing we need to do is gently close this printer, open it backwards and front and close it. Okay, the cover has been closed, so you just need to give it time for this to recognize the ink. Here we go. Now it's telling us the following genuine ink tank has been installed. Okay, the following genuine ink tank has been installed. Okay, so this is how to install the ink cartridges. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This printer is very compact, very nice. It's dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. I'm going to show you on my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, then also load the paper tray and complete the alignment head on my next video as well. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.